At itong isa din po ito, yung report ng National Commission on Muslim Filipinos.
Yes, yes.
Mangay Guro Jr. said that persons supporting the Maotis are regrouping and growing in numbers in Marawi. It can be remembered that it was in 2017 that Marawi was liberated from terrorist influence. The Abu Sayyaf has lost its commander through the years, but managed to keep installing new leaders. On your comment on this, there would never be like revolutionaries. Every member of that, it could be a group of 10, 15, 20, 1,000. There are so many potential leaders there because a revolutionary has a special kind of a calibrated mind. Na ang gusto lang nito, he does not care about economics. All he wants is just to overthrow certain governments worldwide and take over. So whatever be the political persuasion of the revolting group against the status quo would be something that you have to sort out. But dito, we cannot afford to gamble on that. Mahirap lang tayo. Mahirap nga tayo sa mga criminal dito. I'm not saying that they are criminals. No, far from it. Pero dito, mahirap nga tayo mag-track down ng isa, dalawang mga criminal and ito pang mga terorista. You know, it's because the people from the South, I am not referring to the Moro people. The Moro people is a good people. Itong mga terorista, and it traverses the Moro, walang pakialam yan. It's existing in Malaysia, in lahat yan, in Europe, in Ukraine. We all suffer from terrorism. I'm not saying that it is focused on the Muslim world. No, far from it. Not that I'm not thinking of that in that term. But rather the terrorist. Yun ang focus. Dito sa Pilipinas kasi ang karamihan terorista galing sa South. And sa South naman, hindi naman yung taga roon eh. Karamihan yan yung mga